everybody, oldie but a goodie, the old Pontiac 400. This one's going into a 67 Pontiac GTO. Again, awesome. I love these Pontiacs. They're torque monsters. Gotta check this one out. Makes over 600 foot-pounds of torque right off idle. And the power's dead at 4,500 RPM. But again, it's just one of these monsters right off idle, right there. It's right where you want to be driving the car. All the power is right there. This one happens to have our Tech system on. Again, we're up to like 90-something% of our motors go out of here with a fuel injection system. It's the way to go with these hot rods today. And again, you want to check out the build. All the beautiful parts are in here. I don't tell anybody my cam specs or how I go about doing them, but I build one hell of a Pontiac engine. If you're interested in any one of our motors, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Wait, we got your 67 Pontiac GTO engine here. This happens to be a Tech EFI stroker engine, 400 stroker. We're fired up.